Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study about geometry, the basic terminology of geometry by Seema Sharma. Point. A point is denoted by a single capital letter of the alphabet such as P, A or X. It read as point P, point A, point X, etc. Let me tell you about the examples of point. A small dot marked by a sharp pencil on a sheet of paper or a hole made by a fine needle on a paper. These are the example of points. Let us know about line. The figure AB is a straight line. A line can be extended in both the sides. That's why it has two arrow signs over here. A line has no end points. A line has no length, and in symbol the line is represented as AB and line sign is above. Now let me explain you there are the two types of the lines. First is straight line, second is curved line. Figure A represented the straight lines. These are the example of the straight line. Figure B represent the curved line. Here the lines are curved. Figure A represents horizontal line. Figure B represent vertical line. And figure C represents slant line. Let us know about line segment. This is line segment PQ. A portion of a straight line is called a straight line segment or simply line segment. In the figure, PQ is a line segment. A line segment has two endpoints. A line segment has length. It has a length. A line segment may be horizontal, vertical or slant according to the line of which it is a portion is horizontal, vertical or slant respectively. In symbols, line segment AB is represented as AB and there is a line, small line over a head. Let us know about ray. As we heard about the rays of light coming from the sun or a lighted torch, these are the example of ray. A line segment AB is extended to an unlimited length towards B. Here B की तरफ unextended है. This is called a ray AB. A is fixed. Here A is fixed or end point or initial point of ray AB. And in figure, AB is extended towards A endlessly. We call it a ray BA. A ray has an end point. A ray has no length. The symbol AB is represented, ray symbol is represented as AB and there is a arrow above it. Thank you.